Hello, amazing friends. We are asked to solve for the value of x and y. First, let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2. Okay? Now, from equation 1, we have that x plus y is equal to 30. Now, let's make y the subject of the formula. So, y is equal to 30 minus x. Let's call this equation 3. Okay? Now, let's substitute substitute sorry so let's substitute y equals 30 minus x into equation 2. Okay, into equation 2. Now, according to equation 2 says x times y is equal to 30. Okay, so we have x times y is equal to 30. So x multiplied by our y is 30 minus x. So we have 30 minus x is equal to 30. Now let's open the bracket. If you open the bracket, we have x times 30 is 30x minus x times x is x squared is equal to 30. Now let's transfer this plus 30 to this side. If we do that, we have 30x minus x squared minus 30 is equal to 0. Now let's rearrange this. Okay, if we rearrange it, we have minus x squared plus 30x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now, to remove this negative sign, let's multiply through by minus 1. Okay, so multiply through by minus 1. So if we do that, we have x squared minus 30x plus 30 is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation, and we are going to solve it using the quadratic equation formula that states that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Now, our a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. Our b is the coefficient of x, which is minus 30. And our c is our constant, which is 30. Okay, now let's substitute these values into this particular formula. So if we do that, we have x is equal to minus 30 plus or minus square root of minus 30 squared. Okay, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 30, everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So we have x is equal to minus is plus, so we have 30 plus or minus square root of minus 30 squared is same thing as 30 multiplied by 30. Okay, all right, then minus 4 multiplied by 30. All right, now divided by 2. Now let us factorize. Okay, so we have 30 plus or minus square root of, let's factorize 30 out. If we bring out 30, then we have 30 times 30 divided by 30, 130 will remain, minus 4 times 30 divided by 30, 4 will remain, divided by 2. So we have x is equal to 30 plus or minus square root of 30 multiplied by 30 minus 4 is 26, divided by 2. So we have x is equal to 30 plus or minus square root of 30 times 26 is same thing as 260 times 3, which will give us 718, divided by 2. Now, at this point, let us simplify 718. Okay, if we simplify 718, this is 718. When 2 divides 7, we have 3 remainder 1. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 0 we divide. 2 divides 0 is 0. Now 2 we go again. We have 1 remainder 1. 19 divided by 2 is 9 remainder 1, right? 10 divided by 2 is 5. So you can see that we can write this as, this is the perfect square, which is 4. So 780 is same thing as 4 multiplied by 195. If this is the first time you are seeing us, please click the subscription button so that you don't miss our videos. Okay, give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video, and at your convenient time, please tune in to watch our new uploads. Thank you very much. So this is where we are, that x is equal to 30 plus or minus square root of 780 divided by 2. So we have x is equal to 30 plus or minus. Now remember that 780 is the same thing as 4 multiplied by 195, okay, divided by 2. Now when you have square root of a multiplied by b is equal to square root of a multiplied by square root of b. So we can write x to be equal to 30 plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 195, everything divided by 2. So we have x is equal to 30 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. We have root 195, everything divided by 2. Now recall that a plus b divided by c is same thing as a divided by c plus b divided by c. So that means that we can write this as x is equal to 30 divided by 2 plus or minus 2 root 195 divided by 2. Okay, so x is equal to 2. We divide this to give us 15 plus or minus 2. We divide itself and we are left with 195. So it means that we have two values of x. x1 is equal to 15 plus root 195, and x2 is equal to 15 minus root 195. So it simply means that we also have two values of y. Okay, now when x is equal to 15 plus root 195, okay, now y is equal to, recall where we said let y here, where we said let y be equal to 30 minus x. Okay, so it simply means, remember that y is equal to 30 minus x. So it simply means that y will be equal to 30 minus, now our x is 15 plus root 195. Okay, so y will be 30 minus times 15 is minus 15, minus times plus is minus, and we have root 195. Okay, so it means that y is equal to 30 minus 15 will give us 15. So we have 15 minus square root of 195. So this is the first value of y, and this is the first value of x. Okay, now when x is equal to 15 minus root 195 according to this, okay, so it simply means that y is 30 minus 15 minus root 195. Okay, so y is 30 minus times 15 is minus 15, minus times minus is plus, and we have root 195. So y is equal to 30 minus 15 is 15, so we have 15 plus root 195. So this is the second value of y, and this is the second value of x. Now let's check if the answer we got is right. According to equation 1, it says that x plus y is equal to 30, right? So we have x plus y is equal to 30. Now when x is 15 minus root 5, let's use this. Okay, when x is 15 minus root 5, so we have 15 minus root 195, sorry, plus our y is 15 plus root 195, 15 plus root 195. Now we collect like terms. We have 15 plus 15, and we have minus root 195 plus root 195. Okay, all right, is this actually equal to 30? Is this equal to 30? Now 15 plus 15 is 30, minus root 195 plus root 195 will give us 0. So we have minus 0 is equal to 30, and 30 minus 0 is 30. So you can see that 30 is equal to 30. The left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So that shows that the answer we got is right. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.